berry cheesecake can easily have over 300 calories per slice, but this one, just 111. That's less than a third, and no flour or sugar. It's a great deal when you're watching your weight. Start with dry cottage cheese. The firm kind works best. If yours is soft, just drain it through a sieve to remove extra moisture. Then blend or mash until smooth. Now add vanilla, a pinch of salt, a few drops of liquid stevia, and cinnamon. Stir in Greek yogurt. I use 5% for a soft, creamy texture. By the way, let me know your favorite dessert in the comments. It helps me pick the next recipe and means a lot for the channel. Then crack in 2 eggs and add baking powder. Mix until fully combined. You can do it by hand or use a blender for extra ease. This cheesecake is high in protein thanks to the cottage cheese, yogurt, and eggs. That's pretty rare since most cheesecakes are loaded with carbs and fat. Next, stir in your granola or whole rolled oats. Both work great. Let the batter sit for 10 minutes so it thickens a little. Fold in the blueberries. Gently mix so you don't crush the berries. Grease a baking dish with a little olive oil, then pour in the mixture. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until the top is golden and the center is set. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing, or chill it longer for easier cuts. You can top it with extra berries or drizzle with honey or syrup, totally optional. Soft, lightly sweet, and full of real ingredients. Just 111 calories per slice, with 8 grams of protein and only 3 grams of fat. If you like smart, satisfying bakes like this, check the description. You'll find recipe collections with calories and macros counted. Easy meals ready in under 15 minutes, from breakfast to dinner. Thanks for baking with me. I'm Karina. See you next time.